all in my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing wings. They're air fried. These are the Sazón lemon pepper joints. So the first step we're gonna do is let's go ahead and dry it off and then season it up. And we're gonna start off with some granulated garlic. And we're gonna go kind of heavy. We're gonna go about a tablespoon with the granulated garlic. Then we're going on with granulated onion. And we're gonna do a tablespoon of this too. Now these two seasonings here, you can go extra heavy because they're not salty, but they're gonna give this chicken a lot of flavor, especially since we're air frying them. Then we're going on with some Slap Your Mama. Now to Slap Your Mama, I want you to do about a teaspoon. Kind of control it because of the salt content, and then also think about that we're adding Sazóns. And for Sazóns, just go ahead and put your whole package in there. This wings here is about 6 pounds of wings. So that one packet of Sazóns will do you well. Then we're gonna go on with some black pepper. Make sure you freshly crack that black pepper, and we're gonna add a little bit more later. But go ahead and add a little bit on initially. And then after the black pepper, we're going to give a big squeeze of lemon. And we're going to use half of that lemon here for this recipe. And the other half, you could just garnish on it at the end. I didn't do that in the video, but I did it after I filmed the video. So once you get that lemon squeezed on there, go ahead and mix this up. And these are pretty much your wings right here. Like I said, these are lemon pepper Sazón wings or Sazón lemon pepper wings, however you want to put it. But they're Sazón lemon pepper. All right, so once you get it all mixed up, go ahead and add a little bit more of that pepper to it because you're going to need it. Like, you want that lemon pepper flavor to pop. And since we're freshly making this lemon pepper, you want to kind of go a little heavy because it's going to pop. So mix that pepper in there, and then once you get that pepper mixed in there, we're going to go ahead and get our air fryer situated. Now with the air fryer, you don't want to use oil or too much oil. So I'm just spraying the bottom with a little bit of canola oil. And the reason I'm doing that is to pretty much keep the chicken from sticking. So you're going to see me just do a nice splash. So I say we did probably about a half a teaspoon of canola oil with the spray. Alright, let me go on and get that situated. I don't know why it took so long to spray a little canola oil. Sorry about that, guys. But there you go. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of canola oil, like I said, about a half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna go ahead and place our chicken down. And you can put this chicken any way you want it. You can let the chicken touch initially because as it air fry, the chicken is gonna shrink a little bit, and the air is going to be able to circulate around the whole chicken. So go ahead and fill this thing up. You don't have to be you don't have to not fill it up. So fill it up because as it cooks, it's going to shrink. And I set this temperature at 390 for 22 minutes. And every 7 minutes I went in and I flipped the chicken. And that's how you ensure that every piece is crispy. So every 7 minutes we flip the chicken. So at the 21st minute, that was the last flip, and then I just let it fry for that last minute, air fried. But every 7 minutes go in and flip this chicken. So the first 7 minutes we flipped, you see how it was looking. Now this is the second 7 minutes, and it's starting to get really beautiful and golden brown. And you see if you don't flip it, it'll start looking like it's burning, but that's just the spices on the outside. So don't panic, it's just the spices on the outside. But to ensure even browning, go ahead and flip every 7 minutes. So now you see me flipping again, and the last flip here we had 21 minutes, and we'll go ahead and give you this last flip, and look how beautiful those things are. Like, oh man, that's perfect. Go ahead and give y'all a little side-by-side view of this thing. And like I said, every 7 minutes you flip it. And this is like the most simple recipe ever. I'm telling you, ever since I got this air fryer, I've been air frying everything. So you're going to see a bunch of air fried recipes, and this stuff here was crispy and it's just like it came out the fryer. It's crazy. It surprised me. But we're gonna go ahead and get these wings plated up. Like I said, these the Sazón lemon pepper joints. Go ahead and plate them up, and you compare this with some ranch dressing, or ranch would be the ideal, or even some blue cheese. But it just make it stand out. It's like a dry rub Sazón lemon pepper, if I may add. Or you can toss it in a little buffalo sauce, and it'll be buffalo Sazón lemon pepper. You know how they do all these sauce combinations. But there you have it, man. The most perfect air fried wings. Like I'm trying to, watch my little figure, man, and eat a little better. So the air fryer has been saving me a lot of time and effort and energy, because I just season stuff up and pop it in the air fryer. And I'm trying to come up with the times, and that's why I'm sharing these videos with you guys, to come up with the times, because the air fryer book, I don't know if y'all ever read those, but those times are way off. Like it said, cook chicken wings for like 12 minutes, man. Those things is like raw and chewy. So never follow that, man. Always go on your own instinct and check your internal temperature with a thermometer if you need to. Make sure those chicken wings read at 160 or 165. Let them rest. But man, there you have it, the most perfect Sazón lemon pepper air fried chicken wings, man, from the Bistro. Thank you guys for always checking out my channel, man. Thank you guys for always subscribing, liking everything, man. You guys are awesome. We've been in for a year strong, and we almost at 1,500 views with like 49,000 video views. So thank you guys for always checking my channel out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Sazón lemon pepper wings from the Bistro. I'm out.